you ready to explore the future of online income with the power of AI technology? In this video, we will unveil 5 ingenious ways to generate passive income online using this cutting-edge artificial intelligence. It's 2023 and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to make money online, this video is a goldmine of innovative ideas. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of AI and discover how you can create passive income streams that work for you.
Copyright disclaimer: under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Let's kick off by exploring the first avenue for making money, which involves heading over to a platform called wirestock.io. This website offers the opportunity to sell photos, videos, and AI-generated art online, and people are finding various ways to profit from it. If you take a look at the challenges section, you'll notice multiple challenges that involve creating specific images for AI tools. These challenges can potentially earn you up to $500 for a single uploaded photo. And you have the option to use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate these images. For instance, let's use Leonardo AI to create an image. Start by going to leonardo.ai and create a free account. Once that's done, navigate to the User Tools section on the right hand and select AI Image Generation. Here you can enter a prompt to generate an image. Let's say we want an image of the portrait of Mona Lisa drinking wine under the starry night. After entering your prompt, click on Generate. In just a matter of seconds, Leonardo AI will produce an image tailored to your specifications. Now that we have our unique image, hover over it and click the download button. Return to wirestock.io and sign up for a free account. Be sure to select AI content as you'll be utilizing AI-generated content on this platform. Simply upload a downloaded image and you'll be on your way to earning passive income in no time. The second method for earning money online involves a platform known as cashstars.com. This unique website offers a multitude of opportunities to generate income, including getting paid for tasks like Google searches, watching videos, playing games, referring others, promoting offers, retweeting tweets, and many other activities. There is a significant demand of earning passive income, and countless individuals aspire to join this platform. Now, to become part of it, you'll need to join the waitlist, which is an exclusive opportunity. To do so, scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you'll find an enticing offer. CashStars provides you with a never-ending list of ways to make money online. Join the priority waitlist and get exclusive gifts and bonuses when we launch. It's simple to sign up. Just provide your name and email address and click the Join Priority Waitlist button. From this point, you'll need to await their contact, which will notify you if you have been selected. This platform is genuinely unique, and if you're fortunate enough to be chosen, you'll be on the path to earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars simply by engaging in activities you already enjoy, such as playing video games and watching YouTube videos.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified in our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
The third method for generating passive income involves YouTube automation. Many successful YouTubers create faceless videos across various niches, and you can choose a niche that aligns with your interests. For instance, If you're passionate about basketball, you could produce videos showcasing the top 10 buzzer beaters. If cars are your fascination, you might create content about the fastest electric cars. To begin, you'll need a YouTube channel. If you don't have one, don't worry. The process is really straightforward. Sign in with your Google account and access YouTube Studio. Once you have your YouTube channel ready, we will utilize ChatGPT to enter scripts for your videos. Log in to ChatGPT and input the following prompt. Create a video script about the top 10 fastest cars. In just a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with a complete video script, including an introduction, the list of the fastest cars, and a conclusion. With your script in hand, you can employ AI to narrate your content and generate stock videos. An excellent AI tool for this purpose is InVideo.io. Create a free account on their platform and log in. On your dashboard, select Script to Video and paste your script into the designated field. Ensure that you choose YouTube Video from the drop-down menu. You can even specify the background music tailoring to the theme of your video. Click on Continue and you'll have an AI-generated video at your disposal, complete voiceovers, stock footage, and background music. This video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube, allowing you to start earning passive income through your channel. The fourth avenue to explore is through the utilization of a website known as ytjobs.co. This platform serves as a hub for individuals seeking employment opportunities related to YouTube. It offers a diverse array of roles, including YouTube video editing, script writing, voiceovers, and more. In essence, ytjobs.co functions much like well-known freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, with the key distinction being its specific focus on catering to the needs of YouTube creators. The earning potential in this realm is quite promising, with some job listings offering compensation in the tens of thousands of dollars. A cursory glance at the job postings underscores this point, as people are willing to pay sums ranging from $100 to a substantial $100,000 for the services they require. What's particularly appealing about these opportunities is the flexibility they afford. You have the freedom to work from the comfort of your own home and to choose when and where you'd like to undertake these tasks. Furthermore, the AI software tools we previously discussed can play a pivotal role in streamlining and automating various aspects of these roles. For instance, when tackling script writing assignments, you can leverage ChatGPT to expedite the process. All you need to do is ascertain the specific topic your client desires and relay this information to ChatGPT to generate an initial script. To illustrate, if your client specializes in creating phone review videos, you could instruct ChatGPT to compose a video script about the top 10 phones. ChatGPT will readily supply you with a script variations to kickstart your project. Subsequently, you have the opportunity to fine-tune these scripts to align seamlessly with your client's preferences. It's also advisable to actively seek feedback from your clients and leverage this input to further refine your scripts and with the assistance of ChatGPT. Once your work meets the client's expectations, you can promptly submit it and receive your well-deserved payment. The beauty of this approach is that the heavy lifting is primarily handled by ChatGPT, minimizing your workload and allowing you to complete tasks with ease. The last method for generating passive income involves creating AI-generated music. Here's how you can get started. Visit Mubbert.com, a platform that leverages AI to create music and songs based on your input. Click the Generate a Track Now button. In the provided text box, enter a prompt for the type of music you want. For instance, you can use a prompt like chill lo-fi music Optionally, you can set the duration of your AI generated music. If you're not sure, you can leave it at 45 seconds for now. Click on Generate Track. In just a few seconds, Mubbert will produce a fully AI generated music composition for you. And you can even listen to it by clicking the play button. Once you have your AI music, you can sell it on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and others to generate income.
And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads.